MANITEX 2025 international buyers in Mahut Sindra Laliba firm Mariga Manipur Langaki Marakta Landamasi handloom Amadi handicraft over polam sing labor Madi Yonaba memorandum of understanding the Koyek Pinake Koyek Finiki by Mo Yodu the Hana face Kiwena Sahi Mada Lupakro Mariga Lag Mapan you follow saying Mapalebox in the Yon behind the Yanake MOU Manipur Langak Mahut Sinlaga Directorate of Handloom and Textiles ki Director Ilangam Jitenga Artist Hub Expo Trade Jaipur Private Limited ki mihut Yuka Isitak Krishna Mehta Studio Amadi Pramavai Pratima Pandey ki mihut Pratima Pandey Lorena Nesilp ki business head Arjun Vorali ki marakta Kuyek Pinaki Sintanay or Bukuyek adu Nilkuti Urban Hatta Pangtokyo MANITEX 2025 ki manung san na pinakibani MOU adu ki matangda Handloom and Textile Director Jitena Lebak Tarataruk represent Taudan Expos the Saru Yaki Babaming Leva Bayer Mari Mihut Sing Nayana Siamada Kuyek Pinaduna Landamasiki Handlumamadi Handicraki or Column Sing Yonam Tanjama Pamangamle Bayer Singasina Legatori Column Singasiki Manunda Landamasi the Semzaba Katan Sari Lengyan Home Furnishing Item Nupi Singasina Folam Silky Oiba Firol Amadi Wagi Potokaya Yauri MOU da Kuyek Pinabasina Directorate na Seliba MANITEX 2025 ki pandam phangmangam le haina nungai ba phongdokhi
Makoina poaching asi yang kanda order mayam phange haiba order sing si Manipur da cotton na chaba khoi ge cotton gi sari sing cotton gi stole sing home furnishing item sing akhoi da leba motif sing asi gi original motif sing di akhoi amta mangaloi mangandraga semgodreba adug home furnishing item mayam ma moina identify tawre even kauna gi kitang less oina makoi order tawi adu bamboo sing amro ne bamboo ne silky poaching maro nupi sing gi garment sing stole sing traditional motif job adu makal gi phi puna making asi makoina identify tawre haiba poaching asi makoina sahi amada haiba buyer majina 16 countries dagi ahanba initial oina makoina about 4.9 crore muki sahi magi orders makoi tongnagane haibi koi memorandum of understanding asi dignitaries mamana koi MOU sign tongnagi baduni
MOU the Kuyek Pinaki Artist Hub Expo Trade Jaipur Private Limited ki mihut Yukai Sitakna Manipur Lenga ki makhada MANITEX pangthok pasina mara moraga state asigi handloom abdi textile ki oba pothok sing uba phangle mahana leigadori column sing asi Japanese buyers in pangota ba pothok sing the semdok sadok laga yona bohana gani haina phongdokhi
I explored something very potential in terms of textile from Manipur. I really respect the motifs and everything of the textile from Manipur. I can convert that your beautiful textile to a Western garment to fit to Japanese market, to spread Manipuri beautiful textile to my market.
Buyers from across the world. So of course I'm going to style it. It's the first initiative of taking the textile and converting it into a garment. And let's see where we can go. But textile is something also I'm looking at and converting it into a garment and taking it internationally. So I work with very high-end clients.
Yeah. Even today, we'll be buying some volumes of samples and make the payment and take it as samples so that the required customer feedback can be taken and future